Welcome back to my YouTube channel Urban Motors US. Hello everyone, I hope you will good. The 2026 KTM RC390 redefines the lightweight sport bike category with its advanced engineering and performance. Equipped with a 373cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, it delivers 42.9 bhp and 37 Nm of torque, ensuring an exhilarating ride. The bike features a lightweight steel trellis frame and WP Apex suspension, offering exceptional handling and agility. Riders benefit from a TFT instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, providing real-time data and seamless smartphone integration. Safety is enhanced with Bosch 9.1 MP2 channel ABS and a slipper clutch for smooth gear transitions. With a 13.7-litre fuel tank and a weight of 158 kilograms, the RC390 is designed for both daily commutes and spirited rides. Its aggressive styling and cutting-edge technology make it a standout choice for enthusiasts. Keywords: 2026 KTM RC390, lightweight sport bike, 373cc engine, WP Apex suspension, Bosch ABS, TFT instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, slipper clutch, aggressive styling, advanced technology. Hashtags: #KTM RC390 #Sportbike #Motorcycle Life #2 Wheels #Ride KTM #Moto Enthusiast #Bike Life #KTM #Motorcycle News #Ride Safe. For an in-depth review, watch the following video.